Hello, good morning, children. This is Jasveer Kaur, your political science teacher. Once again, we are on the same track. God knows what will happen, but we will not leave our targets. We have to make continuous effort for your work. Right? You may not stay at home idle. You have to do some work accordingly. And we are also trying to give our best for your examinations. As we have done all these things in our classroom teaching also, but today I would like to revise some of the important questions from your chapter Liberty, that is old book name is Freedom. Right? Some important questions are there, although we have discussed, and you have to note down these questions. I am going to dictate these questions, not writing on the blackboard, right? So that you can listen and try to give the answers. And I'll try to arrange online class where I'll ask these answers. Already I have discussed in the class previous days, keeping in mind the examination point of view, right? And your first question is, from which word this liberty word has been derived? From which language this liberty word has been derived? Question number second. What does the negative concept of liberty? As we have discussed that liberty is of two types, positive liberty and negative liberty, and here you have to tell the negative aspect of the liberty. And question number third, that is next question number, first music language, second negative liberty, third positive liberty. What do you mean by positive liberty? Then my question number 4 is there. You have to give the definition of liberty. Question number 4. Definition of liberty. What do you mean by liberty, or a definition given by a very important philosopher, that is Lasky. Very excellent definition has been given by this professor. Then you have to write the supporters of negative liberty. Who have support, question number 6, who have supported negative liberty? Exactly same way, small question is there. Then you have to write supporters of positive liberty. Question number 6, supporters of negative liberty. Question number 7, supporters of positive liberty. Okay, students? Then my next question is there. You have to write down the two kinds of liberty. Question number 8. Two kinds of liberty. Two kinds of liberty. Then you have to write their names. What do you mean by natural liberty? Natural liberty. Question number 10, that is civil liberty. What do you mean by civil liberty? So these are the some approximately 10 questions that I have gave you. I am trying to give you some more questions. Here, who wrote that book Hind Swaraj? Who wrote that book Hind Swaraj? Right, Hind Swaraj, that is question number 11. हिंद स्वराज बुक किसने लिखी थी? Then my next question is that you have to write the meaning of economic liberty. Question number 12. The meaning of economic liberty. Then you have to tell uh, meaning of economic liberty, it is done. Then there is a very important quotation, please note it down. Please note it down, the very important quotation. For me, real freedom is freedom from fear. For me, real freedom is freedom from fear. And unless you can live free from fear, you cannot live a dignified human life. I am going to repeat once again. For me, real freedom is freedom from fear, and unless you can live life free from fear, you cannot live a dignified human life. Who said these words? For guess, I am telling you, it is very beginning of your chapter. There are 2-3 examples of freedoms who worked hard for their country's liberty, for their country's freedom. One of them is, he said this, and one clue more I can give you, that she is female figure. Okay, she is female who has said these words, right? And there is a very important one more person, that he distinguished between self-regarding action and other regarding action. Self-regarding action and other regarding action. That person's name you have to tell. His first letter is J. First letter is J. Or many quotations we have done from him, from this political science book. And this is about your important questions: positive liberty, negative liberty, and then from which language this word has been taken. Okay? And you have to give the definition. Then you have to tell about, there is very one more important, is liberty absolute? Liberty can be absolute. You have to give its answer in yes or no. Is liberty absolute? You have to give its answer. And while giving this answer, you will get 2 more answers also here. Right? First try to give its answer. And then almost I have given you all important questions. What are the basic, from where you can make your basic concept clear. And there are different kinds. No? For that you have to prepare economic and political liberty relationship. In other words, we can say, what is the relationship between positive and negative liberty? First you have to tell its meaning, then you have to tell their relationship. What is the relationship between positive and negative liberty? Then you may take political and economic. Political and economic liberty relationship. Then you have to take, you have to write all these answers, dear children, right? You have to write all these answers. Only you would be able to learn, able to grasp its exact meaning, what is there. Then I told you about economic liberty, political liberty. And these are the questions for today. I am going to revise today's work, that what you have to do. First question is, from which language this word has been taken? From which language this liberty word has been taken? And second, what is negative liberty? Third one is, what is positive liberty? Then you have to give its definition. Definition, when we write, we have to write given by any particular person, particular scholar, particular philosopher, whatsoever, and I have mentioned here Lasky. That is very excellent definition he has given. Then you have to tell who wrote this book, Hind Swaraj. Who wrote this book, Hind Swaraj? You have studied about it in your previous classes and GK also, and very famous name. He is freedom fighter also regarding. Then you have to tell what is economic liberty. What is economic liberty? Then you want to tell what is political liberty. While giving these answers, you have to take care about the use of words, the use of vocabulary, what type you are using. That will explain its economic meaning, political meaning, social, natural, and civil. Right? Then positive, negative liberty, two kinds of liberty: natural liberty, civil liberty, and the last question is there: is liberty absolute? If yes, how? If no, then also how? How will you explain that this liberty is absolute? It can be or cannot be, and you have to describe your answers in these words. Okay, students, take care. Don't leave studying because you have your exams very soon, and online exams would be there, and you have to take care. Stay home, stay safe, but don't leave your studies. Bye.